sunshine today, but we could see some light snow as well.
That sunshine felt great. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons in the Weather Center with a look at our weekend forecast. Hi, George.
Conditions certainly were improved for those crews trying to restore power here in West Michigan. Yeah, a few flurries early on did dust the ground in a few spots, but the sun came out this afternoon, and we're now seeing the clouds come back in. That's out ahead of a little bit of light snow off to our south and west. It's just kind of blanket the area with another dusting to maybe a half an inch in a couple of spots. It's just not part of an overall system. It's just a little leftover moisture coming up from the south. High pressure in the meantime blocking that. But as that high moves to the east, our winds will turn around more to the south tonight and allow that to come on through, but it'll all be done tomorrow morning. Temperatures, as we talked about, much colder than the last couple of days. In the mid-20s right now, only 20 in Traverse City. Temperatures up north are below zero across the Dakotas. But right now across the region, 20 in Ludington. That's chilly to as warm as 30 down in Battle Creek. We will see temperatures, though, above freezing here tomorrow and again on Sunday with snow melting temperatures. Closer look at your weekend forecast, but you want to pay attention to the Sunday night, Monday forecast coming up because there's another storm heading our way.
George, that sunshine today was deceiving because it's cold out there.
Yeah, oh my, it is cold. And you know, out here on the weather deck, guys, it looks like it kind of melted some of the snow, but it's actually just really shiny ice.
Yeah.
That's the problem, and it's hard to pack ice. We have a little bit of light snow to dust up that light ice pack here tonight, and then lots more weekend sunshine. For the little light snow tonight, the 13 weather ball blinking bright. And it is red, a little bit warmer ahead. It'll be in the 30s here tomorrow, so it'll melt some of that snow, unlike today. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Clouds thickening up. We'll lose the sunshine, and temperatures will climb from the low 20s up into the mid-20s by daybreak, but a little light snow between about midnight and 6 a.m., and then the sun comes on out tomorrow as the clouds clear as we climb into the mid-30s. High pressure right now is blocking that snow from coming on in, but once that high moves to the east in the next few hours, this light snow is going to continue to break out and push right up over lower Michigan. It'll still be snowing up north during the morning hours, but by noon the sun comes out and we got a nice sunny afternoon coming up and clear skies tomorrow night. Along with high pressure, it's going to be another cold night, and then we will see more sunshine on Sunday. So a couple of sunny weekend days once again. I think this is the fourth weekend in a row where we've had that. This is Monday's weather. This starting the day on Monday. This is a little wintry mix. Might be some freezing rain. Don't want to hear that, but that quickly changes over to rain later on before it comes to an end. So we might have a little slippery commute here on Monday morning. Just wanted to have you put that on the radar. Here's where the models think some of the ice will occur. Up to 1/4 of an inch is certainly possible. Some snow further to the north. This will all be on Monday up to around US 10 northward. There could be 6 inches plus worth of snow there, but here in Grand Rapids we'll see mainly rain, that freezing rain to start, but mainly rain. Could be over an inch of rain. Long range outlook continues for the 2nd through the 6th of March. Warm temperatures to the east, cold out west, and higher chances that will continue to be on the wetter side than usual. Look for the light snow to move in right around midnight or so, 18 to 20 north, low to mid-20s south, and that'll be early tonight with temperatures going up. Mid-teens along US 10 to 18 to 20. Down further south and low and mid-20s overnight as that light snow moves on in. 13 on your side forecast. We highlighted Monday as a little bit of an impact day, especially early on. Dry Tuesday, a few light snow showers early Wednesday. Right now, it looks like we're trending drier toward the end of next week with maybe another wintry mix and some very windy conditions the following Sunday. Awesome to see some sunshine and light winds today. We got more weekend sunshine on the way, but we got a little light snow later on tonight. 13 weather ball blinking bright because of that inside. Put down another light dusting, a little more than this morning. And it's red, warmer weather ahead. This view is sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Hey, look at Bella here, out playing in the fall leaves it looks like. This is James's dog, and it looks like it should be just fine for your walks this evening and tomorrow morning. Just gave a little yellow paw for that little light snow that will depart here right around daybreak tomorrow. Cold night and a cold start to the day, but we'll get to snow melting levels tomorrow. Not quite as much sunshine here tomorrow because the clouds are going to take a while to move on out. By afternoon, though, 4.2 out of a 10-point scale, still 56%. Homes could be powered by that, and wind energy, 1.1 million equivalent homes. Winds will be about the same as today, a little bit breezier later on. We lost the lake effect clouds. We saw lots of sunshine away from the lakeshore throughout the day today. Now we've got some high clouds coming on in. That's with the next weather system that has a little bit of light snow with it, but high pressure right now keeping us clear and dry and with light winds. As the winds start to turn around more to the south, though, later tomorrow, we'll start to see improving temperatures. That light snow ending by about 7 o'clock here in the morning. Then those winds turn around to the south. A lot of sunshine, clear skies here tomorrow night, and then just a few high clouds coming in during the day on Sunday. That will be toward sundown. Now, Sunday night, we are going to see another wet and wintry system come on in. This is a little bit of freezing rain, I'm thinking, by your morning commute. Maybe not quite yet up to the north. That'll push north of us with some snow up around US 10 on Monday. We'll see mainly rain here in West Michigan, but there could be a 1/10 of an inch of ice or two to start your morning, but temperatures will rise above freezing. Snow up to the north could be 6+ inches around Saginaw and Traverse City, but the majority of it will be in the form of rain here in Grand Rapids. So might be a little icy to start, but I think all of that will go away as temperatures rise above freezing. Long range outlook from the 4th through the 10th of March says continued cold out west and warm getting squeezed to the south and east. So I think our average highs will be right around 39 to 42 during that 1 week period. But the storm track still from the southwest to the northeast. So it looks like it will continue to be wet during that 7-day period. Tonight will be mainly cloudy. A couple of light snow showers moving in overnight, enough for a dusting to maybe a couple of 1/10 of an inch. 18 to 20 north, that will be this evening. And low to mid-20s south. The winds are going to start to pick up, so the temperatures will start to rise towards daybreak. These will be evening low temperatures, calm winds for the next several hours, then a little bit of light snow late tonight, 18 to 20 around Fremont and Greenville. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, our little bit light snow will develop a little bit before midnight or sooner. Low in mid-20s this evening before they begin to rise. 13 on your side forecast. Highlighted Monday with as an impact day, especially right around the morning commute with that wintry mix changing to a lot of rain right now. We'll cool off to 36 and remain dry on Tuesday. Maybe a little bit of light snow in the morning on Wednesday, but we'll jump to 42 in the afternoon. It'll be dry next Thursday, Friday, and now Saturday. It looks like the wet weather is going to stay away from us until Sunday when there might be another wintry mix, but 40+ next weekend as well. I think this is like the 4th weekend in a row with at least some weekend sunshine.
And really, after today and tomorrow, not very cold temperatures in the forecast.
Yeah, they're kind of creeping up a little bit.
Thank you, George.
Certainly was nice to see sunshine this afternoon. We got more of that on the way this weekend, but we got a little bit more light snow overnight tonight that may affect your early morning plans. 13 weather ball blinking bright for that tonight. No worries this evening. It is also red, snow melting temperatures ahead, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Mid and upper 20s for high temperatures today. Holland sensor still waiting to get that fixed over there. They got messed up from the ice storm, but 29 out at the airport, dropped 3 degrees right after that, and we only forecast 25 today. So we'll try to get back on track. We had 8 days in a row where we were on track. Your Shush Mountain weekend forecast. Cloudy day with a southwest wind up north, 32 degrees, 11 though in the morning. Lots of sunshine up north on Sunday with 30-degree temperatures. Wind chills will be in the teens all weekend. And around the area, still great skiing conditions because of the snow and freezing rain. Some areas up north, as much as 6 inches of new snow up at the Boyne Highlands and Boyne Mountain, 8 inches at Nubbs Knob. Nearly 100% of the trails open, at least 90% or more. 2 to 4 at Pine Knob, 1 inch at Shush Mountain, and even 4 inches at Treetops. All have still very good bases, although it's a little bit on the icier side, especially over the southern portions of lower Michigan. Lots of cloud cover out there later on tonight as the high clouds thicken on up. Little bit of light snow goes on through. It's very quick, probably snow for maybe 6-8 hours. Back edge already north of Grand Rapids by 7 a.m. And quickly the sun comes out in the afternoon, skies clearing, and temperatures climb with a south wind throughout the day. Clear on Saturday night and nothing but sunshine during the day on Sunday. But Sunday night, we're going to see a system move in from the south. We've been advertising there's no change to this. It might start out right in through here around 7 o'clock in the morning as a little bit of freezing rain, but that pushes into the north. We see all rain in most areas by the end of the day. There's still a little bit of icing possible, maybe a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch early in the day on Monday before it kind of melts. Snow to the north. Models are indicating a very sharp edge from around US 10 northward. There could be a good 6-8 inches plus with this system. Meanwhile, to the south of there, we'll see it change over to mainly rain. If this happens, over an inch of rain could happen. That will bring those area rivers up quite quickly because the ground is pretty much frozen with all of the ice. We'll be updating that, of course, over the weekend. I saw this about 10 minutes ago and said, oh boy, this is the March 11th through 24th outlook. Pretty bullish on seeing much colder temperatures over the northern, almost the entire North American continent, all the way down except for Florida. Average highs are in the low and mid 40s. If this happens, we may not get out of the 30s. At least the storm track is in the northwest and to the east, so equal chance for more or less precipitation during that 2-week period. Tomorrow, morning clouds, afternoon sun, mid 30s. Winds will turn around to the west and southwest after a little bit of light snow early on. Low and mid 30s here. Maybe not quite snow melting levels, but pretty close, and mid and upper 30s here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Winds will be a little bit brisker in the afternoon than they were today. 13 on your side forecast. We did put an impact symbol there on Monday, especially early on in the day, so keep that in mind for your morning commute. Dry Tuesday, Wednesday, there could be a little blanket of light snow before temperatures jump into the low 40s. Falling temperatures then Thursday, but dry now all the way through next Saturday, maybe a wintry mix the following Sunday.